Hello, and thank you for your participation in the International Low-Grade Glioma Registry, or the OPTIMUM study. In this video, we will show you how to collect blood from your fingertips onto a special paper card. Please watch this video all the way through and read the instructions enclosed in your kit before you begin collecting your sample. Be prepared to collect blood spots within 1 hour of waking up in the morning. We ask that you do not eat or drink for 8 hours prior to blood spot collection. However, water and scheduled medications are allowed. When you are ready to collect your sample, wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 30 seconds. Once your hands are clean and dry, cover your work area with the paper towel found in your kit. Next, place the blood spot collection card, alcohol wipes, lancets, gauze pads, and Band-Aids onto your work area. Fold open the blood spot card without touching the circles, and then open the gauze pad and bandage wrappers so they are ready to use. Use the alcohol wipe to clean the fingertip that you will use to collect the blood drops. Best fingers are the middle and ring fingers of the non-dominant hand. Do not touch the fingertip after you have cleaned it. Once the alcohol has dried, open the lancet by twisting and pulling off the plastic safety tab. Place your finger on a firm surface and prick your finger with the lancet off to the side. With your hand pointing down, allow a drop of blood to fully form on your fingertip. Do not collect this first drop. Instead, wipe it away using a gauze pad. Holding your finger 1 to 3 inches away from the card, allow the second drop of blood to form and let it fall into the first circle. Do not touch the paper with your finger. Allow 1 drop of blood to fall into each of the 5 circles. All circles should contain only 1 blood drop. If you missed a circle, skip to the next empty circle and do not overlap the blood drops. If you cannot get 5 drops from 1 finger prick, you can use the second lancet to prick a different finger to complete all 5 circles. Be sure to wipe the second finger first with a new alcohol wipe. When finished, hold a gauze pad onto the fingertip until bleeding stops and apply a Band-Aid. Leave the card open and allow it to air dry for at least 3 hours. Once the sample is dry, close the card, write your name and the date of sample collection in the appropriate spaces, and place the card in the small resealable plastic bag with the desiccant. Place the plastic bag with the blood collection card and desiccant packs in the shipping envelope and put it in the mail as soon as possible. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at glioma@yale.edu. To find out more about our research, please visit us at gliomaregistry.org or follow us on Twitter @gliomaregistry.